cannot eat. Some have none that want it. But we have meat, and we can eat. So let the Lord be thanked.
And now an address to Haggis by Carl.
Ladies and gentlemen, it's a great pleasure once again, so I may be everything. Great pleasure once again to do the address to the Haggis on behalf of the Brixham Yacht Club. So without further ado, let's get moving, shall we? Reverend for your honest soncy face, great chieftain who the pudding race. Aboon the eye, attack your place, H tripe and fearin', and well you worthy of a grace as langs my arm. The groaning trenchers there you fill, you hurry like a distant hill. Your pin would help to mend a mill in time o' need, whilst through your pores the dews distill like amber bead. His knife, see, rustic, labour dight, and cut it up with ready slight. Gushing your golden entrails bright like ony dish. And oh, what a glorious sight! Warm, reeking, rich.
Now you can ask you to raise your glasses for toast to the Haggis. To the Haggis. And can you keep your glasses like a toast to the King? To the King.